So we started today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. She's got some grown out color here. The stylist dyes the hair. Proceeds to cut the hair even shorter. Beautiful chocolate brown color in the form of a bob. Wow, so beautiful. And I love how full and thick her hair is. So heading into transformation number 2. So she's also getting a haircut. A little bit of color. Color change was very, very subtle. Looks like he warmed her up just a tad, put in some layers. Very nice. Now those layers, of course, create a nice amount of fullness to the hair. So moving into the next one, we got another color change with a bob. So she kind of starts off with the shoulder length hair here. So the stylist doesn't end up cutting much. Looks like he did the flipped up under curl. Bit of beige blonde here. His hair is very much so giving me 90s vibes. Next up, we have a gorgeous bob. I love how he framed her jawline with this bob. I mean, he just really made it pop. It looks so effortless and chic. Beautiful. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Framing out the face once again with some layers. So cute. Such a gorgeous classic bob makeover. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed all the hairstyles featured within today's video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.